Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming mobile data is active and you have usable signal. Without data, the hotspot won't share internet. Next, open Settings, then tap Connections and choose Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Make sure battery level is stable. If you plan long use, plug in the charger. Once done, you're at the hotspot settings screen and ready to configure name and security. This first step puts you into the control panel so you can set SSID, password, and allowed device limits immediately. You now configure the essential details. Change the network name to something recognizable so you can spot it on client devices, then select security, prefer WPA2 or WPA3 to protect data. Enter a strong password of at least 8 characters mixing letters and numbers so others can't easily guess it. Next, choose the AP band. Pick 2. 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for higher speed when devices are nearby. Finally, set a device limit. You toggle mobile hotspot on and watch the status indicator. It should show the network name and whether devices connect. To verify, open a laptop or secondary phone, join the SSID with the password you set, and load a web page to confirm internet access. If it fails, restart the hotspot feature first, then toggle mobile data off and on to refresh your carrier link. Make sure data limits or carrier blocks aren't active. If problems persist, reboot the phone and try again to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.